Hello everyone, this is Maxim Prokopov. Today I want to show you a little tool for macOS that could be useful for you if you want to streamline your navigation across the menus in any of applications. You may used to use Visual Studio Code and you probably saw the command palette. Whenever you hit the Command Shift P, you see this nifty the drop down with all the functions that actually duplicate what you have in the menu. So if you think about that, the new terminal, you can write it here, new terminal, and that's kind of the same menu that you can achieve by hitting the keystrokes, right? So the idea here of the application is kind of the same. To bring the same nifties to any of applications. Imagine using, I don't know, Apple Notes or Calendar or anything. And let's install it. I'm using Raycast and Brew integration. Paletro. Enter. So it just installs the same application from Cask. I really like this feature because it gives me possibility to deinstall it then. I don't have to check how to do that properly. So it's installed and right now I can run it. Okay, it wants my permission. Okay, I gave the permission and here you go. I pressed Command Shift P and I can navigate on the menus. So if I want to, I don't know, hit the show substitutions, I can hit Command Shift P and press show substitutions. Here you go. What's good? It works literally for any application that supports that has anything in menu. I hope it was useful. If you find this information valuable for you, don't hesitate to give some feedback, put some likes. Happy coding and see you next time.